you how grateful I am, and I thank you for everything you guys did.
Honor. It was my honor. Really, I enjoyed it.
Well,
I wanted to stay in longer, but they said no. If I got hit with a hand grenade, they said no.
That's it.
We can't use you anymore.
That's right.
We can't use you anymore.
Yeah, that's awesome. Hey, thanks for coming.
Yeah.
All right.
Take care.
All right.
Meeting all you guys.
Safe travels. You know, there's an example of, I mean, how you pay these guys back, you know? And the last thing they say is, my honor. I loved it. I'd do it again. Just, I don't know, man. There's no words. And hard to thank them. I mean, we get out and teach him fishing. I see him walking away up through there, and he's, you know, got hit with a hand grenade in Vietnam, and he wanted to stay in. I mean, forever, man. We owe him. We owe him, brother. That's a big brown trout. Look at that thing.
I'm just a fishing bum. If I don't have the gas, then I stick out my thumb. I've gotta get there one way
There he is, brother.
or another.
Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Look at this. Give me five. Look at this guy. What are you thinking now, baby?
I've been gone too
Man,
long.
look at this. Let's get you a picture here.
I'm just a fishing bum. If I don't have the gas, then I stick out my thumb. I've gotta get there one way or another.